Hello children, welcome to my school. Today we will learn different types of birds. So now we will see some common birds. Rooster, hen, barbet, Mena, cockatoo, pigeon, sparrow, parrot, parakeet, peacock, peahen, crow, turkey, quail, sunbird, woodpecker. Now we will see the another type of birds, that is flightless birds. The birds which cannot fly very high, we call them flightless birds. Ostrich, emu, penguin, the birds which lives in a forest, we call them forest birds. So now we will see the forest birds. Hornbill, kingfisher, toucan, macaw, the birds which lives in water, we call them water birds. So now we will see some water birds. Pelican, duck, swan, the birds which lives at the shore, we call them shorebirds. Now we will see some shorebirds. Egret, crane, stork, flamingo. Birds which kills and eats other animals and birds, we call them birds of prey. So now we will see some birds of prey. Owl, falcon, eagle, kite, hawk, vulture. Birds which sings, we call them songbirds. Now we will see some songbirds. Bulbul, robin, cuckoo, we call it quail as well. canary, nightingale, skylark. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.